Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing essentials so you can start parking fast. Download Park Mobile, enable location and notifications, then create your account. Add a payment method, credit or debit, and verify your phone and email. This avoids holds at pay stations. Add your vehicle and allow camera access for license plate entry, then set a default vehicle to skip selection later. Once done, open the app at the curb, and you're ready to initiate your first session without fumbling with terminals. You'll now start a parking session. Enter the zone ID or tap the map pin to confirm your exact spot, then pick the vehicle. Set the duration you want and choose Auto Extend or a reminder so you don't overstay. Tap Start to begin the timer, and you'll see live countdown and cost estimates. If your situation changes mid-stay, change vehicle, update permit info, or extend the session from the app. These steps keep you compliant and avoid tickets. To finish, end the session early in the app or let it expire. You'll get an emailed receipt for records or expense reports. Review payment history and export receipts before disputing charges so you have timestamps and zone ID. If something goes wrong, GPS drift, wrong zone, or failed start, manually enter the zone ID immediately, pause and retry, or contact Park Mobile support with the session ID. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues fast and prevents fines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.